Suprabhatam, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. We will all now chant. We have practiced the Jnana Yoga Shloka Sangraha, then we have listened to the enlightening meanings of Jnana Yoga Shloka Sangraha by Guruji. Now we will chant it. So while we chant it, follow the principle of Tad Japaha Tad Artha Bhavanam. That is not only pronunciation, also bring to your mind the meanings that were highlighted by our revered Guruji. Yes. Skip the Dhyana Shloka. Next. Previous line. Yes, we'll start together. Atha Shrimad Bhagavad Gita Su Jnana Yoga Shloka Sangraha. Arjuna Uvacha Aho Bata Mahat Papam Kartum Vyavasita Vayam Yadrajya Sukhalobhena Hantum Swajanamudyataha Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Api Chedasi Papebhyaha Sarvebhyah papakrittamaha Sarvam jnanaplavenaiva Vrijinam santarishyasi Tadvidhi pranipatena Pariprashnena sevaya Upadekshyanti te jnanam Jnaninastattvadarshinah Na jayate mriyate va kadachit Nayam bhutva bhavita va na bhuyah Ajo nitya shashvatoyam puranah Na hanyate hanyamane sharire Veda vinashinam nityam yadenamajamavyayam katham sapurushah partha kam khatayati hantikam nainam chindanti shastrani nainam dahati pavakaha nachainam kledayantyaapaha Nashoshayati Achedyo yamadahyoyam Akledyo shoshya evacha Nityas sarvagatasthānuhu Achaloyam sanatanaha Traigunya vishaya vedaha Nistraigunyo bhavarjuna Nirdvandvo nityasattvasthaha Niryogakshema atmavan Prajahati yada kama Sarvan parthamanogatan Atmanyevatmana tushtaha Sthita prajñastadochyate dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangasteshu pajayate sangat sanjayate kamat krodho bhijayate krodhat bhavati sammohaha Sammohat smriti vibhramaha Smriti bhramshat buddhinashaha Buddhinashat pranashyati Ragadvesha viyuktaistu Vishayanindriyaischaran Atmavashyair vidheyatma Prasadammadhigacchati Dukheshvanudvignamanaha Sukheshu vigataspruhaha Vitaragabhayakrodhaha स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्याशु बुद्धिः पर्यवतिष्ठते यः सर्वत्रानभिस्नेहः तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभम् नाभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी यस्यां जाग्रति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः ओमेत्येकाक्षरं ब्रह्म व्याहरन् मामनुस्मरन् यः प्रयाति त्यजन् देहं स याति परमां गतिं श्रद्धावान् लभते ज्ञानं तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानं लब्ध्वा परां शान्तिम् अचिरेणाधिगच्छति एषा ब्राह्मी स्थितिः पार्थ नैनां प्राप्य विमुह्यति स्थित्वा स्यामन्तकालेऽपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे ज्ञानयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः हरिः ॐ तत्सत् कृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Very good morning to all. Suprabhatam. First of all, we thank and appreciate all of you for exhibiting such a discipline, maintaining the silence, silence for yesterday's function and attending such a marathon speeches. Thank you all. Before announcement of tomorrow's program and reminding also, today we have some guests. The moment you put yoga and Singapore in Google, immediately you will get Vyasa Singapore. The school which has been running from last 32 years and spreading the message and vision and mission of our Vyasa throughout the Singapore is Vyasa Singapore. That is the effect. The cause of that Vyasa Singapore Karana is our Sri Manoj Thakurji. By his honest effort and dedication, today yoga is so popular in Singapore. Thank you for coming, sir. And every effect has a cause. He is the cause for the Vyasa Singapore. He is the effect, the cause are somebody, the Karana, his parents. I am very happy to and delighted to introduce them, Sri K. Singh Ji and Srimati Kanchana Devi. They are great parents of Sri Manoj Thakur. We take their blessings for growth of our Vyasa also. Thank you for coming. We seek your blessings. Yes. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyanti, ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.